Well, thank you all for coming today. We are just thrilled and excited to celebrate some phenomenal people in our community and organizations, and this is our first Hall of Fame induction. So I want to take a moment to shout out and thank our advancement team, who was incredibly creative. This is just great. Thank you. So what is this day and what is the Hall of Fame induction? What we're starting is taking time to honor people that have a legacy, a lifelong impact through their work. Nice. So we are so thrilled, and this will go on. As we look at just the first installation here, these are groups, organizations, individuals that are leaving a lasting impact here in our community, and it is pretty powerful. And it truly does take a community. So I know that so many of you here are part of the impact of CYC. So cheers to Hall of Fame induction. So thank you, thank you, thank you.